So far, all Google Pixel 8 Pro leaks have outlined important hardware advancements for this year's range. For greater imaging capabilities, the business is reported to employ a larger and newer 50-megapixel Samsung GN2 sensor and switch to a 64-megapixel ultra-wide shooter on the Pixel 8 Pro. The changes will not be restricted to hardware, as Google aims to introduce a new camera UI on the 2023 Pixel, according to a fresh leak. As part of the revamp, Google is contemplating moving the camera switch and the gallery button. While this may irritate longtime Pixel users, it should be a welcome move since it will be simpler to press the camera switch button in most circumstances, as Samsung and iPhones use the same control layout. Google has not changed its camera app UI since the release of the Pixel 4 in 2019, so a refresh is long needed, particularly to handle all of the additional modes and capabilities that Pixel phones have received since then. If the new Google Camera UI will be available on previous Pixel phones is currently unknown. In the current Google Camera release, you swipe down on the viewfinder to bring up the settings menu. However, this action will be reversed so that you must swipe up on the display. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to feature a 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, according to other specifications. The Google Tensor G3 SoC will power the device, which will also have a Titan security chip and TAL. While the standard model is set to launch with just 128 GB of storage, the more expensive option will most likely provide 256 GB. There might be two variants, both with 12 GB of RAM. The Pixel 8 Pro is believed to include a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto sensor. The device is rumored to sport an 11-megapixel picture sensor on the front for selfies and video chats. The device is said to have a 4,950 mAh battery, allow 27-watt wired charging, and ship with Android 14 out of the box. The tweet also seems to corroborate prior claims that the phone would feature a temperature sensor and an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.